About social media advertising using Facebook. So basically, we'll be seeing some basic elements which you need to understand regarding advertising in Facebook. Okay, so we'll see the first thing. So first, we need to understand what are our Facebook goals basically, or first we need to basically understand how do we do ads, or what are the different types of ads we can do, or what are the different goals we can complete over the Facebook. So determine your goals first. Okay, Facebook is an ultimate marketing tool because there are millions of people who are in Facebook network. Okay, which might be relevant to you, or sometimes which might not be relevant to you. So it's up to your choice to target the right person to convey your product or service. So, how do you use this tool to work for you? Okay, so what all things can you do? Can you do a branding? Can you sell some tickets? Can you conduct some event? Can you interact with the customers? So there are various goals. So the goals, mission setting, everything is up to you to how to do and how to make it work for you. So take example of a college. Okay, a college needs to be promoted among the newcomers who are completed the 12th. So we can probably make an ad campaign in the Facebook, which will be only diverting to the people who have just completed the 12th and who will be willing to go for a higher study. So based upon whatever types of courses we have and based on whatever types of demographics we have, we can start our campaign accordingly. So the mission for this campaign is basically to inspire potential visitors who are in the network, to engage them, and to create a content which will be getting interested by the people in the network. So next we will see what is an insight. So we have to first basically know our audience. So our audience are people who have just completed the 12th. So we need to know their age group. We need to know what all gender do we prefer. So since we are a co-education institution, we don't have any gender issue. We can go for both male and female students. So just check the insights of a page. So here in this slide, an insights from a page as a whole has been shown. So in this page, 67 percentage are from the women community and 32 percentage is from the men community. And there are various other statistics which show which all posts, which all genders, which all regions have the more likes or check-ins or the comments and so on. So understanding insights is basically how your audience react to your post or to your comments or to your published contents and so on. Next, first we will understand about Facebook throttling. So mostly the people who are using Facebook may not see all the posts which a page is posting. Okay, on an average survey, only 6% will see the content in their newsfeed, and they won't see unless until it has been clicked or shared. So that has to be done. If not, it might not reach the others also. So average Facebook has 330 friends with 15 percentage of users with more than 500 friends. An average user likes 40 pages, and each day 4.7 billion posts are shared, and there are between 1,500 to 15,000 pieces of content that Facebook could show you each time you log in. So that much contents are there. So the thing is how prior your content is to the audience. So that is the place where you have to think and work a lot to make the content correctly diverted to the particular targeted audience. So next is the reach. How to make the reach of the post to your correct target audience. The reach is the number of people to whom your post will be exposed. So normally there are certain techniques to increase the reach to the maximum number of people who are being correctly targeted or our required audience. So it can be in two ways. Okay, so the one type of reach is through organic search, and the other one is through paid search. So organic search is like the people who are being delivered or reached without any payment or without boosting your ad or without paying some money or without paying some extra to make our ad reach. So paid reach is by paying the Facebook to make the ad posted in somebody's login without some external effort. So once you pay, that ad will be diverted to some 100 people or 1000 people based upon our ad settings. So organic reach is much cheaper and much commonly used than paid search. Paid search is bit costly. Based on what budgets you have, we can go for the paid reach. So this is a strategy of your organization and your audience. So your organization will have so many audience, and out of that there will be only a set of people who will be very much relevant to the particular post. So the others will be non-relevant. So we have to consider that also. Not every post will be relevant to all our audience. If you have 1 million people liked in your page, there might be only 100 people who will be the direct audience or the beneficiaries of the particular post. Not every post are being accepted by the all the audience. So how to reach the people organically? That means without paying even a single penny from your account. So the post has to be a good content. Okay, the content has to be liked by the individual or the people who are in your like list. So the post to the interest of the audience, you need to post the contents which inspires them. Use photos, okay, or use scroll test, use small videos, and the post frequency and the time. Okay, do not post multiple videos in a single day, and there will not be any post for the 1 week. Not like that. Okay, at least a video a day makes the people engaged. So post that content likely for conversation, ask question, open-ended, and etc. Okay, so if it is a conversation starter, it might be good because it will be reached to much more people. So understand your insights. I have already told you the insights. Understand the insights of every post on a timely manner and understand whether it is performing good or not. So the engagement also you have to check how many likes, how many shares, how many comments, and how many people reach. Based on that, you can actually understand the performance of your post. So try to target 10% of the engagement with your post as the engagement increases. So that is your reach. So this is an example of an reach versus engagement. So at the top, we can see how many people have the ad reached. That means it has only reached. For example, if I open my Facebook and I saw the ad, that is only reach. Okay, how the reach will become an engagement. So once the individual or the user logs in, he sees the ad, then he types some comment, then it will become an engagement. Not only the comment, but also the various engagements like, share, tagging, commenting, etc. etc. So the reach is just a visibility or an exposure of the particular post, but an engagement will be an activity to the particular post. So an engagement will reap more benefit than a reach. So we have to understand the reach and the engagement. Next, we'll see how an ad works. Okay, so this is an example of a performance of all the ads which have been boosted or which has been put on a particular Facebook page. So you can see certain ads reach is 34.4K and certain is only 9.8K. Okay, that means certain ads reached more. And you can also see the engagement. Certain ad has 2.3K of clicks and 2.5K of likes, comments, and shares. So with this, you can actually see the performance. And in the promote area, you can see buttons like boost post. That means if you want to increase the engagement and the reach of the particular post, okay, these are the post, individual post. It can be a video, it can be an image, it can be some text, and so on. It can be some graphics, anything which you post in your timelines. So next, see, these are the things which you can understand that these ads doesn't pick up much because it has only very less engagement and it has only very less reach. Some 316 reach, 23 engagement, and 15 followers, and so on. So these are the ads which are not much productive in nature. So this is how you can understand your Facebook ad campaigning. The remaining we'll be seeing in the next video on how to start a Facebook campaign. Thank you.